This video is about the changing of a broken light switch from a ceiling fan. I apologize about not getting more videos out in the last 2 years here. My wife and I have been taking turns in the hospital, and right now she's getting a nurse every other day to treat her wounds. As a result, my budget for making these videos is at zero. And so I'm very strapped to be able to make any videos at all. I'm not asking for any donations or anything like that. I'm just asking for understanding. I'll get more videos out when I'm able to. Thank you for viewing my videos. Well, here's the new one, and you can see how long the cords are, the equal length out to there. The old one cord is short, and there's no problem with that, but the long one goes several inches farther, so I shall probably have a little trouble getting this wired up.
It works.